So please, may you introduce yourself?
My name is Eze Njoku Eze Ndigbo Noriade, Eze Chimele Eze Udinofo, or as Kingdom, Eze Nabo. That's my name.
So why are you here today, sir?
I am here because one of us, Eze Okundo in Ejibo, has done a great thing, something that is to be emulated by all, because that's the main purpose of being Eze, being a leader of Igbo in diaspora. Because this thing he's doing today is one of my projects, one of my dreams, and I pray that good Lord will fulfill it for me. Because if we are there, we cannot be able to bring our dialect, Igbo language, down to our children here. It means that we have not done anything. If actually we are claiming to be Eze, Igwe of Igbo in diaspora, this is one of the primary aspects that we should look into. We should help mothers, we should hold fathers who had their children here, who have no chance, no opportunity to visit village, so that they could also, their children will enjoy the dialect. If you go around, you know that most of our children doesn't know Igbo language. So what he did is just wonderful. We need to emulate it all over, anywhere in the Eze is situated.
And do you have any word of advice or anything you want to tell the Igbo community?
Yes, I want to say that if you are curing mad person, trying to cure somebody who is maybe having a big belly, somebody who is mad, you are trying to cure it, and the person is also having a big belly at the same time. It is terrible. Igbo people should learn. I don't know why this is Eze here and there. What are we fighting for? Must you be Eze before you now join others to do something that we're supposed to do in our local government, in where we are situated? Everyone wants to come out and be Eze. I hear somebody calling himself Eze Ndigbo in the Riverine. Which Riverine again? We have Eze in the Riverine, we have Eze in Oriade. Why all this is? And we are still under the one that we have done. We are doing another one. What is all this? We should caution ourselves. And this is happening in the Eze Njoku place. I am frown about that. We must caution ourselves. Let us chew much as we can. Let us chew much as we can swallow. That doing it so much and it break our mouth. What is all this we are fighting for? Eze here and Eze here and there. I listened to that here. I wasn't happy. This guy, will be in the Riverine now, calling himself Eze. It's not right now. So we should do things and put it in order. Yeah? So that's what I'm saying. We must caution ourselves because we, Igbos are known to be intelligent. Why must we be watching our detriment in the public every day? Every here and there. For what? What are we fighting for? That's what my own advice for Ndigbo. And especially for all those who say that they are the kingmaker or whatever. Whosoever is bringing such ideas here and there is doing us no good, but rather trying to assassinate our cultural heritage here that we are here to express.
So you are saying that multiplicity of ownership in a particular place is not good?
It's not good at all. We should join together and do something and achieve one thing instead of multiplying it. If someone is Eze before me, I join that person. We put heads together and develop that place. I must not be Eze.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.